Creating a QR code in Canva is a simple process that can be done in just a few easy steps. Today, I'll show you the step-by-step guide on how to generate a QR code with Canva. Log in to your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have one. Click on the Create a Design button and select a template or custom size for your QR code design. Choose your custom dimensions and click Create New Design. Navigate to the left sidebar and choose Apps. Search for QR code in the search bar. Click on the QR code app that appears first in the search results. Click Open. Paste the URL of the website to which you want the QR code to link. Click Generate Code. Resize and move the QR code as needed to fit your design. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the Share button at the top right corner of the Canva editor. Click on the Download button to save your QR code on your PC. Don't forget to test your QR code after downloading it to ensure it scans and leads to the intended destination correctly. You can then use this image file to print your QR code on business cards.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance with your website, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.